What's up, it's Sam from Offsprout, and I'm going to show you Offsprout's new side-by-side module. Let's check it out. Offsprout has always given you an easy way to put modules side by side using columns, but working with column percentages isn't always ideal. Take this home page here by the company Clearbit, for example. You can see that we've recreated the page entirely with Offsprout. It looks simple enough, but when we break it down, there are actually 2 or 3 areas that are not all that conducive to the typical column structure. First, there are 2 buttons side by side in the header. Now we could try to use columns for that, but then we'd have to edit the default column padding and make sure that our column percentages weren't too small on smaller devices. Instead, we've used the side-by-side module. The side-by-side module lets you put modules next to each other using their natural width, and is great for cases like these 2 buttons, which we want to sit side by side without much space in between. We've also used the side-by-side module in our hero area. Here, Clearbit has a main call to action using a button, but also has a secondary call to action in a text link. Let's go over the settings of this side-by-side module in a little greater depth. First, there's the modules setting. This lets you choose the types of modules that will be created within the side-by-side module. We've used a button module and a text module. You can add as many modules as you want here and reorder them by simply dragging. But for now, we'll just keep our 2 modules. Next, we have the vertical align. See how the text, which is the shorter of the 2 modules, changes its vertical alignment when we toggle through these options. Then we have horizontal alignment, which can be left, center, or right. And additionally, you can set it to even, which will create space around each module, or between, which creates maximum space between the modules. You can then change the alignment for mobile if you want, or even stack the modules in mobile. Since these modules get pretty tight in mobile, let's stack them. And finally, flipping back to our desktop view, we can also adjust the margin between the 2 modules with the horizontal margin setting. Editing a module within a side-by-side module is the same as any other module. Just right-click on it, or click the design brush, and start editing. And that's how you use the new Offsprout side-by-side module. Alright, awesome. So if you want to keep getting updates when we release new modules and tutorials, be sure to click that subscribe button below, and we'll catch you next time. Offsprout. Don't just build websites, build your business.